Is your Volvo S60 or V60 key fob not working or difficult to open? The most common fix is replacing the CR2032 battery. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opening tool. Gently pry open the key fob case along the seam. If it's stuck, apply heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 20 seconds. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation, positive side up, and insert the new one. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing buttons. Lights should flash and the vehicle should respond. If your Volvo fob includes a physical key blade common in pre-2020 models, ensure it's not damaged during opening. If the remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system. For a stuck case, inspect for debris or use a fob keyring tool. If DIY fails, consider professional service due to risks of immobilizing the vehicle. In newer 2021 Plus models, the issue might be due to firmware, requiring dealer assistance. Be aware that newer models may need software resets, and always recycle the old battery properly at an e-waste program. Consider switching to the Volvo phone app Key to avoid physical battery replacements. If salt corrosion is the culprit, try using a plastic pry tool and WD-40, being sure to handle components with care.